Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I hope you enjoy this video. I also hope you subscribe to my channel. So today's video is a small haul video, and it's small because I'm still waiting on a lot of my stuff to come in, but I wanted to do a haul video so I could start using some of the stuff, especially the skincare that I'm going to show first. I do have some nail products that will be shown in the video as well, but first I wanted to just go over some of the skincare products that I am going to start using in my routine. So one of my good friends told me about The Ordinary a while ago. I was lagging on buying them, and then so I finally started researching them, and then went on to Sephora and was looking at the prices, and I was pretty impressed with how much everything cost. So the first one I showed you was a cleanser. I'm gonna pronounce a lot of these incorrectly, but the cleanser is an oil cleanser, so it supports hydration, and I'll leave the names for everything below. That one is called the Squalane Cleanser, so it's an oil cleanser and it supports hydration. And this is a glycolic acid toner. So basically it's an exfoliant, a skin exfoliant, and so it helps with your skin tone and your texture. I did look into a few videos. I did do a little bit of reading, trying to figure out which of these products would work well together. My issue is my skin is oily and I do break out and have hyperpigmentation. So the combination of these products should be good for that. I will, if it works, I will do a before and after video and show some pictures of my skin before and after, probably in about 30 days or so. So the second, that was the moisturizer that I just showed. So it has hyaluronic acid and in it, so that's really good. That supports hydration. And then the Niacinamide 10% plus zinc, that is going to regulate the sebum, which makes your acne and minimize your pores. And the azelaic acid is going to help with your skin tone and dullness and the texture of your skin. So I'm excited to try these products, and I will be updating you guys in 30 days. So I also got my favorite tinted moisturizer by Mercier in Walnut, and that also has an SPF in it. So now into the nail stuff. So I got a mortar and pestle. I got this off Amazon. It's stainless steel. It has the skid-proof bottom. It's really heavy. I really like it. Comes with a brush to clean it out, and then it also comes with these lids. So I guess when you're mixing, all of your stuff won't fly back on you or fly all over the place. So I really like that. And the reason I got it is because I want to start making some of my own colored acrylics. And so that's why I bought these pastels. I've seen them used on a lot of channels. I've seen chalk, I've seen these, and I've seen pigments. But these were, I think at the time, $13. I think they're a lot more now. And you get 64 colors. So I just thought the variety of the colors was pretty good for the price. Pigments are pretty inexpensive too, but so I want to try these out. I did order some clear acrylic that I am waiting on. I ordered that the beginning of the month, and it's not going to be here till the 23rd. So I also got me some more Macart Polygel in clear, and this is the absolute hands down clearest polygel I've ever tried. It's a little bit sticky, but it is extremely clear. It's just like using a builder gel. Builder gels usually give you the most clarity, so that's my favorite clear polygel. So for organization, this is actually for washi tape. It's a holder, and then it has like little cutters in the front. So I got this for my striping tape. I do have them pretty organized, but I need something where they're not like all over the place. So I saw this. I don't know how I came across this on Amazon, but I saw it and I'm like, oh, okay, well, I could probably use this for striping tape. I don't know if I'm going to use the cutters part of it because they don't seem pretty sharp. So just as far as storing them, and then when I need a color, I don't have to like take them all out. I can just use that one color that's there. I don't have to be worried about them being all over the place. So I will leave the link down for this below. Everything that I mentioned in this video will be linked down below. So yeah, I'm excited to see how that works out organizational wise. I also got some SPIDERGEL. It's kind of taking me a while to really like open these up. One leaked, as you can see, and it separated a lot. So I guess it's still fine if you just mix it up or whatever, but these things stink. Like, are these things supposed to smell this chemically? Like, they really, really stink, like all of them. I'm not really sure if I want to use these. Ladies, let me know down below, like, do SPIDERGEL smell bad? So let me know, because if not, I'm just going to go ahead and toss these. They were off AliExpress. They weren't too expensive. I'm just not sure on the smell. So that one's supposed to be like a rose metallic. I got a silver and a black one. And the silver separated. The only one that didn't separate was the black, which I think I had already opened when I first got them. But I think the metallics separate. I don't know if it's just the brand or I don't know. You guys let me know. Like, am I tripping? Because I kind of just want to throw these away. I don't like the smell, and they separate it pretty bad. So I don't really know if I want to put this on my nails. Let me know in the comments down below. Does your SPIDERGEL stink? What else? Yeah, these things are really messy too. So I don't really know. The other thing that I got off AliExpress was Squalane rubber base and rubber top coat. They come sealed. They don't come with a brush. I just have to use a gel brush. But I've used their polygel, so I'm excited to see how that works. And then I did get some stickers. I'm not opening them. I just got them for the hearts, so I don't really care what else is in there. So off Amazon, I did get this nail cutter. I broke my other one, and I like this one because it had the shield, so when you're cutting your tips, they're not flying across the room. And then I also got these super long nail tips, which I just bought them to play with. I don't for real in real life want my nails this long, but I just thought it would be fun to create a set with these. They're not really wide, so I'll probably just do this on my flexi hand, create a set on my flexi hand using these nail tips. But I see them all the time. Christina Couture uses them all the time on her channel, so I was like, oh, I want to play with some really long nail tips, so that's why I got those. I have a lot more stuff coming, but it's just like I've been waiting so long for shipments to come. Like, things have been purchased and still not shipped out. I'm just like, okay, I guess I'll just use some of this stuff, but I wanted to do more of a bigger haul video, but here we are. So I also got a few colors from Rossi Dip Powders. If you're interested in these dip powders, I do have a 20% off code down below. So this first color is Cuban Nights, and can I be honest? This isn't my favorite brand of dip powders. I'm down for inexpensive brands, but like the quality of like the Born Pretties or the Nicole Diaries, like the ones you get off AliExpress, I tend to like those a little bit better, the quality of the powders. Even some of the Lifu or Model 1's dip powders, Lifu Model 1's, I think that's the same, they're the same brand. I don't know. It's just like a lot of these colors. Some of these colors are very pigmented, but then some of the colors you need three coats. So I don't really, the consistency between the different colors is so wide that it's like, I don't know what I'm going to get. I don't know if I'm going to get full coverage or not full coverage. And if it's like 1 out of 2, like 1 out of like 5, that's okay. But if it's like 3 out of 5, then it's kind of, you know, annoying. But I did get these. I was like, okay, I'm going to give it a try because I did do a review on them before I did do a video on them before, but those were like more natural nude colors. So I kind of wanted to see how their actual colors would perform. But yeah, I think like with the mint and that peach, I think those would look better with 3 coats. Even the first one, Cuban Nights, might have looked better with 3 coats. So the first one's Cuban Nights. The second one is Gossip. The third one, the mint, is Fresh Morning. And that peach is called Carnival. The colors are very pretty. And they look more opaque on camera than they actually look in person. So it might just sound like I'm complaining, but I'm not. But it's a good brand if you don't mind not knowing if you can go, if you're going to get full coverage between each different dip powder. Does that make sense? But yeah, so I only did 2 coats for the purpose of this video, and then I just used their glue that, well, their liquids that came in the kit that I tested before. And like I said, if you're interested, I do have a discount code below, and that is 20% off. I'm not sure if they're having a sale, but I had a gift certificate and my 20% off when I purchased these. So yeah, check those out if you're interested. So I wanted to see how they work with monomer, if they separate or marble. And the only one that didn't separate at all was the first one. The second one that I'm testing, that's Gossip. The other 3 separated. The peach and the mint separated a little bit more than the first one. Anyways, guys, when my other stuff comes in, I might do another haul video, or I might just jump right in and start using those products. But I wanted to use these nail tips, and I wanted to use these dip powders too. So that's why you only get a little short haul video. Also, I wanted to start using my skincare products that I got. So let me know what you guys think. I might come back when I get the rest of my stuff and do another haul video. I am not sure yet, but for sure you will see me try and do a full set of nails with those long nails in the next couple videos. And I will be giving you an update probably in about 30 days with the skincare, the Ordinary Skincare. I for sure, when my clear acrylic comes in, will be doing a video on making colored acrylic. I'm excited about that, and I really am excited that I was able to get that mortar and pestle pretty inexpensive. I'm excited about the quality of that. But anyways, guys, let me know what you want to see me use. I know this wasn't the most exciting haul video, but let me know in the comments down below what you want to see me use. Also, let me know what orders you guys are waiting on. It is kind of a hard time right now, and it's kind of hard to be frustrated about something like nail products when, you know, people aren't working, people are losing their lives. So I'm trying to stay positive about it and not be so annoyed, because like I said, at the end of the day, there's worse things, but damn it, I want my nail products. Anyways, so yeah, definitely let me know what you want to see me do in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like this video. Also, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you guys again soon for another video. Thanks for watching.